Hi friends, welcome to all. I am Maruti B. Gowda, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Srimati Indira Gandhi Government First Grade Women's College, Sagar. Friends, today I am going to present my PPT on Introduction to Anton Chekhov and the Death of a Government Clerk. The Death of a Government Clerk is a short story. Friends, this topic is prescribed for BA first year optional students under Kuvempu University, Shimoga. This is my second session. As far as concerned to the BA first year optional students under Kuvempu University, Shimoga, this is the 32nd session. In this slide, recap of previous class. Friends, in our last class, we have studied about the elements of short story. The elements like story setting, characterization, plot and structure, narrator and point of view, conflicts and climax, and theme and style, etc. Lesson review. Friends, this topic is to help the students to learn different expressions of pain and social hierarchies practiced in the society. Objectives of the chapter. Friends, in this chapter, we have to study many aspects. First one is life and literary career of Anton Chekhov. Second one is contributions of Anton Chekhov to English literature. Characterization of short story, theme of the short story, and analysis of the short story. Let us study all these topics in detail. First one is life and literature. Life and literary career of Anton Chekhov. Anton Pavlovich Chekhov is a Russian playwright, short story writer, and a physician. He was born at 29 January 1860 in Taganrog, located in southern Russia, and he died at 15 July 1904. He studied at Greek School and Gymnasium of Taganrog. He worked as catching and selling gold pinches and selling short sketches to the newspapers at his early life. He wrote daily short humorous sketches and vignettes of contemporary Russian life under pseudonyms. He wrote 201 short stories, 7 plays, and 1 novel during his lifetime. Okay, let us know about the contributions of the writer Anton Chekhov. Contributions to literature. Uh, Short stories. So, as I told before, he wrote more than 200 short stories. Let us know a few of them. The Death of a Government Clerk, The Steppe, Ward Number 6, A Dreary Story, Peasants, The Black Monk, The Bishop, 3 Years, The Duel, etc. As far as concerned to plays, he wrote 7 plays. Let us know a few of them. The Seagull, The Cherry Orchard, Uncle Vanya, Three Sisters, Wood Demon, Ivanov. His novel, as far as concerned to his novel, he wrote one novel, that is The Shooting Party. Okay, characterization of the short story. Friends, in this short story, The Death of a Government Clerk has 3 characters mainly. Uh, Ivan Mitrich Chervakov. Ivan Mitrich Chervakov is a government clerk. He is an innocent and hard worker in this short story. Another character is Brizalov. Brizalov is an old gentleman and he is serving in the Department of Transport. And another character is Chervakov's wife. She is a housewife. Okay, theme of the short story. Friends, this story is divided into 3 parts, beginning, middle, and end. Okay, let us know about the story of the death of a government clerk. The story begins with a government clerk called Ivan Mitrich Chervakov sitting in a stall listening to opera. He enjoys it and suddenly he sneezes. He wipes his face with a handkerchief and looks around to see whether he had disturbed anyone. Uh, Later, he sees an old gentleman in front of him wiping his head and neck with his handkerchief. And he decides to apologize at once. Now we are coming to the middle of the story. The story continues. Chervoko leans forward and whispers an apology to the general's ear, and general responds with never mind. Chervoko feels the need for further explanation, but general unknowingly tells him to forget about it and let him listen. He feels embarrassed and uneasy and tries to apologize again. The story continues in this slide. Under the impression, Chervoko thinks that there is a fiendish light in Brislow's eyes. When he returns home, he tells his wife, and she neglects that he is from different department. The next day, he puts on a new uniform and goes to Brislow's office to explain. He saw the Brislow who is interviewing a number of petitioners. At the end, he tries to apologize again, but Brislow accuses Chervoko of making fun of him. At the end, he decides to stop to apologize personally. Now we are coming to the end of the story. At the end, he decides to write a letter to Brislow, but he is unable to make it up. The next day, he goes to Brislow's office and apologizes him, but the general shouts at him, "Be off." Later, Chervoko returns home and he feels sick and lies down on the sofa and dies at the end. So this is the story of the death of a government clerk. So we are coming to the analysis of the short story. There are many aspects in analysis of the short story. Protagonist is a hero. Antagonist is a villain. Setting, as far as concerned the setting, we should be known about the use of language, figures of speech, etc., and exposition, exposition of characters. Okay, and rising action and falling action. So seriousness of the story, or like that. Okay, climax. Each and every story has a climax. Okay, and resolution, conflict. So in our last class, we have studied about the elements of short story in detail. Conflicts happens between man versus man, man versus self, man versus public, and so on. Okay, and moral of story. So each and every story has a moral message to the moral message. Okay, so it is the message about the life of human beings. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Learning outcome. By studying this kind of short stories, the readers can benefit of it. This topic is to enable students to learn and express their creative talents through reading various short stories. Okay, friends, at the end of this session, we have many multiple choice questions. Okay, let us know one by one. Question number one: when did Anton Chekhov born? Friends, there are four options. You have to select one of the right answers. Option A 1860, option B 1960, option C 1904, and option D 1804. Friends, the right answer is A. Anton Chekhov born in 1860. Okay, let us come to the question number 2. How many short stories had Anton Chekhov written? So he wrote more than 200 short stories, right? So, but here also there are four options. Option A 200, option B 201, option C 202, and option D 204. The right answer is B. Here it is wrong. The right answer is B. Anton Chekhov wrote 201 short stories. Question number 3. Who is Brislow? Here also there are four options. Option A, General of Transport Department. Option B, Manager of Transport Department. Option C, Clerk of Transport Department. And option D, Accountant of Transport Department. Friends, the right answer is A. Brigelo is a general of transport department. Okay, friends, let us come to the question number 4. Who did sneeze in a stall? Opera. Here also there are four options. Option A, Brigelo. Option B, Chervaco. Option C, wife of Chervaco. Option D, a friend of Chervaco. So the right answer is B. Chervaco is the right answer. Friends, let us come to the last question. That is the question number 5. What did happen at the end of a story? Here also there are four options. Option A, Chervaco succeeded. Option B, Chervaco died. Option C, Chervaco lived. Option D, Chervaco failed. The right answer is option B. Chervaco died is the right answer. Okay, friends, if you want more information regarding this topic or this short story, better to follow these references. Okay, friends, I am going to end this session. Let us meet again in our next session. Thank you, one and all.